Look, the harsh truth is that most founders out there are stuck, spinning wheels, burning energy and cash, and not getting anywhere close to the growth they want. It's maddening, right? You pour everything into your idea, your product, your team, and then the money either dries up or comes with strings that choke your vision. You're frustrated, pissed off even, because you know your business should be blowing up, but it's not. You're dealing with investors who see you as just another bet, or worse, a commodity to shuffle around. You hate that feeling. Your potential locked behind walls you can't climb. Now, here's what no one talks about enough. Angel investors could be the secret weapon nobody's tapping into right. Not just the money, anyone can chase cash, but the real, raw advantage comes from the right angels who see you, who get you, who bring way more than money to the table. You want growth that feels like it's exploding from inside? Unstoppable? Forget pitching VCs who want monthly traction and growth hacks that barely scratch the surface. Focus on your angels like allies on your side, not just checks in your bank. And here's how to do it, step by step, no fluff. First, stop chasing the usual suspects. Don't waste time on the typical angels who only show up for validation or easy returns. Find those scrappy, experienced players who've been founders themselves, who've lived the bullshit grind and still made it. These are people who bring connections that literally open doors you didn't know existed. You want introductions to top talent, early customers, strategic partners? Angels with skin in the game deliver that, not just wire transfers. Second, be brutally honest with what you need beyond money. Most founders act like they only need cash. That's a rookie mistake. Get crystal clear on what your biggest gaps are. Do you need help refining your market fit? Marketing genius? Operations scaling? Seek angels who have hands-on experience in those precise areas. When you get those people invested emotionally and mentally, not just financially, your growth curve jumps. Trust me, you don't want another glorified ATM. You want a partner who will call you out, advise you, and throw down when it's crunch time. Third, make your pitch irresistible by showing humility and hunger. Angels hate arrogance and bullshit performance. Lay out your real numbers, your struggles, your exact plan to climb out of the hole. Then hammer why their involvement is the missing piece. This demand for their unique skill shows you're not another pretender. You're serious. You're ready to learn and adapt. That's what fuels true growth. Fourth, don't just settle after you get the money. The real work is in how you keep that angel tight in your corner. Set up regular, brutally straightforward check-ins. Share your wins and fuck-ups openly. Use their advice, take their calls, leverage their network hard. This isn't a hire and forget relationship. It's a living, breathing resource you coddle because growth thrives on that kind of persistent collaboration. And here's the kicker. If you think scaling is all about building massive teams fast or pouring cash into ads, you're missing the point entirely. The invisible, insane leverage comes from the knowledge, connections, and mental toughness that these angels inject into your venture. When your angels fight alongside you, when they push you to rethink your limits, you grow in ways no spreadsheet or pitch deck can predict. Don't waste your breath on systems that reward sameness or safe bets. Those angels? They want rare, raw, hungry founders who get that victory isn't just a number on a balance sheet, but the sum of all battles won against odds. Find those angels. Work with them. Be relentless. That's how the invisible growth happens. That's how you stop being a prisoner of your own limits and start smashing them wide open. No one's going to hand you this map. You have to hunt it, find it, and seize it. Angel investors are not some afterthought. They could be the key you've been blind to, unlocking growth that looks like magic to everyone else, but is just the outcome of the right people believing in you and joining the fight. Stop waiting for permission. Go get them. Now, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.